Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own sticker on WhatsApp using just your Android device. Stickers add a fun and personal touch to your conversations, and with this updated method, you'll be creating unique stickers in no time. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your Android device. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have the app open, locate the group chat or individual chat where you'd like to send your newly created sticker. It could be a friend, family member, or a fun group conversation. Now that you're in the chat, look at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you will see a smiley face icon. Tap on that. This will open up the emoji and sticker options. Next, you'll want to select the sticker icon, which is usually located at the bottom of your screen. This will bring you to a page dedicated to stickers, and here's where things get exciting. Once you're in the sticker section, find and tap the Create option. This is where creativity kicks in as you can start making your personalized sticker. The next step is to select a photo from your gallery that you'd like to transform into a fun sticker. Whether it's a favorite picture, a meme, or anything else, just choose the one that speaks to you. Finally, after you've selected your photo, look for the send arrow icon and tap on it to send your sticker. And there you go. You've just created your very own WhatsApp sticker that your friends will love. With these simple steps, your conversations can now be more vibrant and expressive. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials.